How's it going, guys? This is Kevin with Pacifica Tiny Homes. Right behind me, we have a 36 by 11 Sequoia Model. We're gonna be doing a delivery soon, I believe tomorrow. So they're prepping it all up. That we can have a nice set delivery and take it to the destination where the customer lives. So we're gonna dive deep on this beautiful tiny home right here. It really isn't a tiny home because of the way the length is and the width, but it's still on wheels and it's still under 500 square feet and it's absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and dive in. I do want to let you guys know something. It is customized, so compared to the ones that we had before, our customer did some other customizations, some that you preferred. I know the comments were saying I need the bathroom next to the kitchen or next to my room, etc. Well, let's go ahead and dive in and show you what we have done with this tiny home based on the customization that our customer went with. Beautiful kitchen, guys. Beautiful kitchen. When it comes to building the Sequoia model, we can always do the upgrades. And as you can see here, this one does have a variety of upgrades. We can go ahead and get started with a propane stove. It's a 3-burner propane stove. It does have a small oven as well. If you like to cook, this is something that you would definitely recommend getting as an upgrade. And if you like to bake, you can also get the small oven. But this is the standard stove. If you have one that you prefer that's larger, full-size stove, we can accommodate and create it and put it here in our kitchen area. You can see that they also did extra cabinet spaces all around, you know, for their dishes, for their spices, for their utensils, pots and pans. Underneath you can have a lot of space for cleaning supplies. Standard sink, but you can also do upgrade. This nice range hood. Also on top of it, it has its own compartment spaces as well. Same thing on this side. So there's a lot of space for this L-shaped kitchen. Standard, you would also have a standard fridge. Like I did mention, this is our standard 10.1 cubic feet refrigerator. And this is something that it's very energy efficient. But if you do want to go with something larger, you can do that as well. In the comments, and I've seen in the comments before that, hey, I want to have my bathroom next to my room. I don't want to have it across my room. It's easier and it's easily accessible. Yes, we do. We have it right here on this side. Come check it out. Now this, oh wow, it's really big in here, honestly. When you come in person to see these homes, you'll see how much space it is, and it doesn't feel cluttered. You won't feel claustrophobic, and you know, it's a lot of space for you to, you know, be in your bathroom in private. And overall, I mean, it's pretty wide. I believe it's a 5 by 7. So it's a 5 by 7 cubic feet. It's really nice. The high ceilings, honestly, high ceilings with a combination of blue pine stain and drywall. And you can see that you also have recessed lighting to add that little lighting in here. Alongside, you have this cool window to, you know, open, and it's pretty cool. Overall, it's a very nice shower. You got your rainfall shower head, your standard handle as well. It's very simple, and that's really important to be able to see the simplicity of how can we make the bathroom more comfortable. And that's how we do it here in Pacifica Tiny Homes. Look at this, right next to your room. Master bedroom right on the right side, bathroom on the left. Easy access. Standard flushable toilet, as you can see. Glacier bay. You got the connections right there. You got your little toilet holder. Overall, it's pretty nice. You also got your nice towel rack right here. Very well elongated. I really like this sink. It's pretty nice. That's the color of it. It's really nice. It is an upgraded sink. You also have your level right here, and you also have this nice I think it turns on with it. There's a little power button right here to turn on, for you can have it the ring light around it to be able to look at yourself if you're doing your face mask, brushing your teeth, or whatever you have in your face. Check it out. Your makeup for your girl, or your beard lineup, whatever. But look at this. Look at the space right here. There's a lot of stuff right here. It's awesome. I love this space. As you open it here too, you can see it's a little bit more space. So this is more of a medium-sized bathroom sink, and there's also a medium-sized mirror that we put here in this bathroom. So overall, this bathroom is absolutely amazing. I love it. I'm gonna show you some B-rolls so you can come check this out. Okay. Master bedroom. Wow, definitely a master bedroom. It's a pretty big size, honestly, and it's amazing how it looks here. You know, you can have your bed on this side right next to this beautiful window. It's a lot of space. You can let some airflow out. Wow, really fresh. It's really hot in here because it's not connected to electricity, and it's like about 110 degrees outside. But overall, it still feels less hot and more cool than outside due to the fact that it's really well insulated. But this room is really well insulated with a combination of drywall and blue pine stain. It smells really great. And you also have your TV. You can bring it out. And you can bring it in sideways or on the right side. You know, it's the beauty of it. And it's pretty cool how we do it, you know. Put it back onto the wall, nice and set. So if you want to watch TV, you can mount it where you like, or we can mount it for you. Overall, it's pretty nice. You got a couple outlets on the side. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 outlets on the wall. 5 outlets actually. There's one right behind here as well where the TV's at. Then you also got your controllers for this beautiful, sweet fan, ring light fan. I love it. It's absolutely beautiful, honestly. And it's LED. Check it out. The amount of space that the living room has, you can also add a 55-inch TV that can be mounted on this wall right here. And you can do like a nice little love seat or a sofa, whatever you feel like it can fit right here. Then we can definitely help you set it up, or you can do it yourself. But look at the amount of space. Look at this beautiful Victorian style header right here. It's absolutely nice. It gives it more of a robust feel. It gives it like a cabin style feel, and that's what we try to aim for. Overall, I mean, this is a beautiful home. I love this tiny home. I would own it myself too. I mean, it's amazing. You know, you have your mini split, you have your ring light, you got your big picture window that is double pane, and it's also insulated. You can mount your 55-inch TV, put a little coffee table right there as well, and you get yourself a day. You call yourself a home. You got everything situated. But overall, it's beautiful. You got a lot of lighting in here that you can add into your roof. You got a couple of recessed lighting in your kitchen. And you got your ring light also on your ceiling. But it's already illuminated. Why? Because of all the windows that are already added. You got one in the kitchen, one in the living room, one in the hallway. So you got all these windows that can illuminate the home and doesn't give it a dark aesthetics, more of a bright aesthetics. So overall, it's very heavenly to be able to come inside these homes and feel the creativity that Pacifica Tiny Homes builds for our clients. Okay, you envision your tiny home based on the models, and we'll create it for you. Okay, so this 4-axle park model does have upgrades, and like I mentioned before, it does have the propane tankless water heater. It's all the easy accessible. Everything's all right here. Therefore, you can be able to connect and also have gas inside your tiny home. Electric panel is going to be also located outside in this park model in this 36 by 11. You'll be able to utilize your power here. So it's a home line load center that is being utilized here. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool features that we do. Party board exterior, 4-axle trailer, tall, height, length. I mean, overall, it's a Sequoia model for a reason, because of due to the fact that it's a big model and it's a great price. Thank you guys for staying to this tour right here to see the tiny home, that Sequoia model that we are building. Every Sequoia model is customizable. Just to let you guys know, we customize all our tiny homes for our clients. So as you can see here, it's preferred. This was preferably for our client. They built it how they want it, and we actually are going to continue doing that because it's part of custom made. But overall, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll be posting more videos, 10 a month, where you guys can be able to see more details of these homes. I'm going to go give you guys more details eventually on other tiny homes that we have. So stay tuned, please.